What's going on, guys? This is Easy Breezy, and right now my friend Miriam is on the way to my house because her wig is completely done, like toe up. As you guys know, I only do like hair for YouTube content. I don't take appointments anymore. So when it comes to my friend's hair emergencies,
girl, bye.
I can't help you. So she went to another stylist to do her maintenance for her wig, and it looks crazy. She told me on the phone it's lifting, then like her cap is showing through through the whole lace. And you know what, I'm gonna help her today, and you guys are gonna see this before and after makeover. Sponsoring this video is Hiwigs. Thank you guys so much for giving us this straight lace front wig. The other stylist cut it, and right now it looks raggedy and crazy, but we're gonna take it from that to brand new. So make sure you guys tune in. All right, so come over here. All right, so first of all, I see you didn't comment today. It's okay. So the lace is lifting. So how long did it take for the lace to like lift?
Like 3 days.
What type of glue did she use?
I have no idea. Like, first, when she put the glue on, it was like super tight. I was like, huh, is this hair glue? And then 3 days later, it's almost like that whole melted or something.
Oh my God.
And then it's like I got a bald, I don't know if it's the cap or if she plucked it wrong, and now it's like lifting on the sides, and I'm just like, did you even fit it to my scalp? Like, I can't go nowhere looking like this.
Hey girl, wait, the cap is really throwing me off. Like, why did she put a beige cap under here?
Right, I ain't pale. What is she doing?
All right, so listen, glue, don't know what happened there. The cap, obviously too light. We're going to clean the glue off, and then we're going to put makeup on the cap so it actually matches her skin. Duh. And then we're gonna reapply. Once again, thank you Hiwigs, and stay tuned for this makeover, honey, because it's needed.
Head scallywag, ain't got no head, baby. Still good breathe. You know you need
lace at home, or like do it be the epic fail, or are you actually pretty good at putting your own lace on?
It's like sometimes I'm good, sometimes it's like the freak is going on, you know? It's like it's a hit or miss, and then I have to watch your YouTube videos and try to figure out how to do it.
Guys will say, I like a girl that's natural. So do you believe in actual natural beauty, like keeping up your natural hair, or do you take more time in looking natural but having like a natural lace front, or both?
Both, because who gonna do my natural hair? You? My natural hair is long and thick, and then if it gets sweaty or water on it, it curls up. I love my natural hair. Like, I wear it sometimes. But these wigs be just coming in handy. And forget what a guy think. He gonna like this wig, honey, as long as you got some hair up underneath, okay? And even if you don't got hair up underneath, it doesn't matter.
Alright, so we have reapplied the wig. Nice and flat and fleeky, no more lifting. You can't see the cap. And now I'm gonna go ahead and press it out, and baby, what's that?
What? No.
Now you can take them in.
He was already mine. He moved around me.
Right, so for all my subscribers out there, right now we don't really know whether we want to do it bone straight, like a edgy type of look, or if we're gonna do a slight little bump at the bottom, like a
What you think it's gonna be? I don't know. know, because I'm kind of like, how's gonna, maybe you could do one side, a bump on one side. Shit.
I'm liking the bump. I don't know.
That's it.
Yeah, I think I like the bump. Yeah, let's try it. Alright you guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are not already and turn on your notifications.